Crypto goats. ETH is holding near strong 2,547 after a whale investor made headlines and grabbed 48,825 ETH, making it 127 million. Crypto goats. The token has gone crazy. 2,605 per token. But it's not just about this. This is Crypto Goat, and we're gonna find the best meme coin. Now, this isn't their first big move. Same wallet pocket, 30 million ETH. And the overall market was rattled by a conflict, but the expiration of 200,042 ETH on Debit still, and whale's confidence inspired new optimism with 2,700 crypto goat skies remain a key resistance if you're a bull. Buy if ETH clears 32.2 fib near 2,568 EMA. Stop loss 2,500. Short for your bears. Short below 2,518. Stop loss 2,540. Downsides 2,440 and 2,300. Now, what's all this big stuff about ETH? We're gonna find out. But I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, crypto codes. Let's keep diving in. Crypto goats. Blockchain uniting has happened with crypto bridges. Locking assets on one chain, that means you can switch from ETH to Bitcoin, enabling movement between networks, centralized and decentralized, increasing flexibility and utility. That's where Pepeto shines. Have you heard of Pepeto? It stands in with a new exchange. ETH, BNB, and Solana. Let's jump in. Crypto goats. Pepeto shines with a full cross-chain with all the bridges, low fees, an exchange preview for 278 APY staking. Crypto goats. This is easy to buy with its demo exchange where coins get listed for free. And it will rise in more users as it launches shortly with zero fees listing at Pepeto.io. And it's linked to Ethereum's progress. So get it now before the pre-sale ends. But how do you get it, crypto goats? Get a Web3 wallet. Install MetaMask or Trust Wallet and get some BNB. Top it off with some USDT or simply buy it with your card. Crypto goats, know you're still early and follow them on Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, and X. Crypto goats, check out Pepeto. It's now or never.
If I were to do this, if I even could do it, I'd need a guarantee. How do I know you can deliver? You don't. But I can.
Crypto goats, check it out on Instagram. Crypto goats, you missed out on BTC. Don't miss out on Pepeto. 17,162. Let's go. Pepeto, just a meme for fun, but with value. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to know when I post new videos. Leave me a comment, and I'll catch you next time.